Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. It's a great day to be here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about WordPress and keeping it secure. The most important thing you can do in keeping your website secure is to have a secure password on it. Don't use the same password you use anywhere else. Don't use words, don't use your name, don't use your birthday. Use something gobbledygook. And the second most important thing you can do is what we're going to talk about today, and that is how to update your WordPress site. So stick with me. Here we go. All right, now that you've got your secure password, let's jump into WordPress. We use 1Password to make it easy for us to have different gobbledygook passwords. So I'm going to hit this and log into my WordPress site. Once logged in, I can see that I need updates right away. I've got a red dot right here, and the updates option is showing up on our left sidebar menu. You can also see up here that I've got one update to do. So since we keep it up to date, there's not many updates to do, but it's really, really simple. And we have an automated process to do plugins every night for our customers in our Freedom WordPress. So all my plugins are up to date. If they weren't, it would look just like this up there. And I could hit select all and update plugins. The other thing to look at here is you have the latest version of WordPress. That's good. You want to check that. We do it every week for our customers. We check that. We check the themes every week, and we check their backups. If not, there will be a button here to say update your WordPress. Make sure you're backed up before you do that, so that if the update corrupts something or breaks something on your site, you can roll back to that backup. And we include backup rollbacks for free with our Freedom WordPress product. So themes are just as easy as anything else. So I hit the checkbox, I hit update themes, and I just wait a few moments. It's going to contact the theme host. It's going to get the latest theme. It's going to install it in my WordPress site and then say, hey, here you go. Now that my theme update is successful, I've got a notice here that says all updates have been completed, everything looks good. And then the last step is to take a look and make sure everything really does look good. We got no update up here. The updates panel, we're still on it. And we can go click here to go to our site. And we just look around, make sure that nothing's been broken. So this is just my blog site, so it's got a blog. My sign up for email list is still working. There are no pages on this site. There's just blog posts, so it's really easy to check it out. We've got my home page, some of the business category, D&D, family. We just kind of go through these categories and pages. For our clients, we usually go through quite a number of their pages to make sure that the site still functions well after an update. So that's it. Update your WordPress on a regular basis as much as possible. Come in here, go to your Updates tab under Dashboard, and look and see if there's any updates to do. Usually you're going to have red marks in here along plugins, along appearance, and along updates to remind you that it needs to be done. We check every week for the latest version of WordPress in our Freedom WordPress product. We check every night for plugins, and we check every week for themes. And then we also offer backups and a practice site, a test site that you can have a copy of your WordPress site to test on and try out things. And then if you corrupt something or mess up your site, we offer free restores from your backups. And it all includes hosting. So check us out at White Glove Ninja. for our Freedom WordPress product. This is Brian with EvoDynamic, and you have a great week.